AudioBank review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called AudioBank. So this is the AudioBank review. Right now we are on the sales page where you can get the discount for $3. So use the coupon code audio3 and grab the copy using my link below. The first link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab bank audio bank copy here. So click on that link and then you will be able to come to the sales page. And we'll discuss the bonuses in the end. So I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. So watch the video till the end if you want to know what the bonuses are, how you can get them. And on the sales page, it says the fully autonomous AI that turns simple ideas into professionally narrated and published short form audiobooks on autopilot, like romance, mystery, and thriller, fantasy, science fiction, self-help, true crime. What is true crime? True crime? Are you trying to validate the crime? True crime? Crime is a crime. Business and finance, health, wellness, children's stories, horror. Published to millions of listeners on Spotify, Audible, Apple Books. Apple have books as well. I was thinking about if Apple had airlines. I want Apple to start an airline, Apple Airlines, imagine the white airplane with the Apple logo on the side, and you're given iPads at the back of the seat, or you're given MacBooks if you're in the business class. Just think about it. I thought about this idea that Apple should start Apple Airlines long time ago. 5-6 years ago, I think a long time ago I had this idea that Apple should start their airlines. But nobody listens to me. And if they start, they will go bankrupt, by the way, because they will, they will charge high cost for the ticket and not many people will be able to pay. So blah, blah, blah here. And then you can go and check out this software generates all the audiobooks, right? So you will find some samples on the sales page, as you can see here, I guess, or maybe coming soon. So don't lose hopes. The sales page is extraordinarily lengthy, okay? And we have to find the demo video. So let's see who loses patience first, you or me. So here is the audiobook. You can come on the sales page and check out these sample audiobooks. These are the sample voices and more here and many more here. Okay, so let me take you down to the demo video somehow. Don't lose hope. We are getting there. Demo video, where are you? You're right here. So this is the demo video which you have to watch on the sales page. When you scroll the sales page maybe 60%, then you will come to the sales page, I guess. Otherwise, I'll show you the demo video right now. So we are in the dashboard, as you can see, if you can see now. And then we have some niches. You can choose what kind of audiobooks you want to create and choose the AI model and audiobook length. You have many models, AI models, not female models, AI models, okay. Artificial intelligence. I was trying artificial intelligence on my laptop yesterday. What I mean is that I was trying to make my laptop ChatGPT, a local AI. Do you know how AI works? AI is something which, gets the power from the computers. So if you have a computer laptop, if I have a laptop here, which I do, so we can create a small AI. It will be very, very, very slow, but it will overheat. And that's what I tried to do yesterday. I tried to create a local AI using my laptop hardware, and it got heated. Even though I have a very solid laptop, 16 GB RAM, i7, and it got heated after I have done the whole hardware setup. And then I was thinking that, if my laptop, which is a very good laptop, can get overheated just by doing an experiment here, trying to turn my laptop or using the hardware of my laptop to build a local AI. I was trying that experiment yesterday and my laptop started getting heated. Now it makes sense, when we use AI, then they have to have data centers. What is data center? It's nothing. It's like millions of computers at one place. That's called data center. These are ebooks or audiobooks. Go and grab the copy from my link below. So AI is what? AI is just nothing. It's like millions of computers sitting at one place. And imagine millions of computers at one place will produce so much heat that you will melt down. And we idiots, we don't understand that the more you accept AI, the more fucked up your generation is going to be. You and I will not pay. Our grandkids, I won't have kids, but whosoever has kids, their grandkids will pay the cost of this disaster which we are doing. Yeah, it's fancy. AI is fancy, audiobook, videos, this and that. I understand. It's cool. It looks cool. You don't have to do 2 plus 2 anymore. AI does it. We are done with the demo video? No, we're still doing it. So, it's pretty easy. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. AI tells you. AI tells you how much percent is of X by Y, X, Y, Z, blah, blah, blah. It does it. You ask AI, everything is on your screen in 2 seconds. But you have no idea what's happening in the backend. In the backend, millions and millions of computers are running. And do you have any idea when millions of computers runs, they have the need of electricity of the whole city, of the whole town, of the whole country? They will consume the electricity. The computers will be eating all that. And then after 100 years from here on, you will be thirsty for your water. There will be no water on the planet if this goes on. So God knows. People who have brain, they don't have power. Those who have power and money, they don't have brain. They bloody idiots. The world was better 100 years ago. It was much better 1,000 years ago. What will happen 100 years ago? That will be worst. What exactly is audiobook AI? Go and make some audiobooks. Go and buy from my link and get my bonuses. Do I need audiobook publishing experience? No, you don't. Do I need to write? No, you don't. Do I need to record my own voice? You don't. Because millions of computers are running and producing heat. What kind of audiobooks can I create? All forms. Can I publish it? Of course you can. Can I use AudioBank for my client? Yes, you can. How fast can I create AudioBank? Audiobook with AudioBank. 60 seconds. Do you have to pay monthly fee? No. Money back guarantee 30 days, I guess. Yeah. That's AI for you. It does the job, but we don't see. It's like, I don't want to continue this anymore because if I carry on talking, I will not stop. What is the name? AudioBank. So AudioBank, let me see. My bonuses are right here, linked to the sales page as you can see. So go and buy from me and get the bonuses. And these are the OTOs right here. So front end in $15 plus you use that coupon code, you will get $3 off. So get this in $12.95, I guess, or $11.95. Then you have an unlimited license. Then you have done for you and the automation, this and that. So go and grab your copy, okay? Listen to me very carefully. Nobody will tell you on this planet what I'm going to tell you. After 100 years is a long time. I'm telling you in next 30 years. In next 30 years, you will have no natural resources if this continues. Yes, AI is cool. You are, robots are flying, drones are flying. You have the robots cooking kitchen, meals nowadays, taking care of some kids or parents at home, the robots, or if not, then they will do that in the future. This all costs energy, electricity, and you need power plants, and you need to run millions and millions of computers to do all this in the back end. You have no idea what you have brought upon yourself, you humans. You have no idea. This is gonna fuck this earth up, and you will be toasted. This planet Earth will be toasted in next couple of maybe centuries. If not soon, then 100 years is the maximum time I'm giving you. You and I will not be here, but whosoever in your generation will be here, they will curse you, or they may curse me that we did not do anything. We knew about it and we did not do shit. Think about it. AI is cool, but only from outside. There is always an ugly side for anything. Whatever looks beautiful from outside always have an uglier side. Watch the video till the end if you want to know the bonuses and stuff like that. Subscribe, like, and share. I can carry on talking, but let's wind this up. So watch the video till the end. Alrighty, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access Review2Profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so Review2Profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review2Profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review2Profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kish Hacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kish tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling Kish tracking separately and I'm selling this Review2Profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, okay. So maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.